We need to learn to forgive people. We need to learn to forgive people. Me going up and closer to Allah is not connected to you going down. I don't need you to go down for me to go up. We can all go up together, no problem. If I want to go to Jannah, do I need to say, oh Allah, give me Jannah, don't give them Jannah? Should I say that? Jannah is very, very big, very big. We have a problem. Nowadays you have different groups of Muslims. Each one says we are going to Jannah and the other one is going to Jahannam, right? Muslims. So I was talking to one guy, he said everyone is going to Jannah. I said, well, your Jannah is going to be empty. One person, two people, khalas. You will be shocked. Jannah is so big. You will be there, I will be there, those guys will be there, we will all be there.